Hello, my name is Rhonda Matthews. I am currently a high school teacher. I'm in pursuit of my certification for education leadership, and also I teach gifted students. I have been teaching for in the classroom for about a total of 8 years. Prior to that, I ran a small business in the educational industry, educational supplemental services. And prior to that, I was a chemist. So I'm actually on kind of my third career here. I served as a chemist in research and development and quality control for a number of years. And that was after attaining a bachelor's degree in chemistry from Southern University and a PhD from LSU in organometallic chemistry. I am most interested in basically just getting some new ideas in this course, taking it as a requirement for working with the gifted students. Pretty computer savvy, but I'm really looking forward to picking up on anything new that I can learn, applications that I may not have familiarized myself with, or any strategies that I have not used. One of the highlights of my career as an educator has been to serve as the work group chairperson for the high school standards committee that developed the new Louisiana science standards for students here in Louisiana. I have taken online classes before, pretty independent learner, so that's not very challenging. And also, as a teacher right now, I am teaching online courses continuously every day. It has been an exciting experience for me, so I do embrace technology. I actually love technology, had to use it in both of my previous endeavors as a research chemist. We were always writing programs, working with different software, different equipment. So being adept with technology is really important to me, and something that I did focus on a lot in my training. And also, I've used it a lot in the classroom. And I did this way prior to COVID. Been using Google Classroom and as many platforms as I could get my hands on pretty early. Since I actually started teaching, I was surprised when I got into the classroom that more technology wasn't being used. I also used it to basically run my business and be more efficient. So I'm looking forward to those things that maybe I haven't uh, turned over that I can continue to apply because I believe in being a lifelong learner. As far as also using the strategies, I'm currently the department chair at my school, and so I would like to pass on some learnings to the teachers in my department to enhance their science instruction. Uh, a little couple of personal things about me. I have been married for it will be almost 25 years now, and I have a daughter. She just started college this academic school year. I am looking forward to continuing my career in education, and I think it meshes very well with having a very interesting and exciting personal life. I love going out with friends. Unfortunately, I hadn't had much of that in the past year, but it is something that I like to do. So I love to socialize. I love to read. I love to watch movies. Um, And I love, love, love to mentor and work with both students and adults alike. So I look forward to what I can gain from this course, and I thank you for listening to me.